Here's a detailed explanation of the infinitive in English, with clear examples and Hindi translations side by side. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the base form of a verb, usually preceded by to. Example, to eat, to go, to play, to study. Infinitive verb वह क्रिया रूप है जो to के साथ प्रयोग होता है. उदाहरण, to eat, खाना, to go, जाना, to play, खेलना, to study, पढ़ना. Number 1, infinitive as the subject of a sentence. When the infinitive acts as the subject, it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Examples, to learn English is important. अंग्रेजी सीखना महत्वपूर्ण है. To be honest is a virtue. ईमानदार होना एक गुण है. Number 2, infinitive as the object of a verb. Infinitive is often used after certain verbs like want, need, decide, plan, hope, try, promise, etc. Examples, I want to learn English. मैं अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहता हूँ. She decided to leave early. उसने जल्दी जाने का निर्णय लिया. They promised to help me. उन्होंने मेरी मदद करने का वादा किया. Number 3, infinitive after adjectives. Infinitives are used after adjectives to explain reason or feeling. Examples, I am happy to see you. तुम्हें देखकर मैं खुश हूँ. He was surprised to hear the news. वो खबर सुनकर चकित हो गया. It's difficult to understand. इसे समझना मुश्किल है. Number 4, infinitive to express purpose. We use infinitives to explain why someone does something. Purpose. Examples, she went to the market to buy fruits. वो फल खरीदने के लिए बाजार गई. I study hard to pass the exam. मैं परीक्षा पास करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करता हूँ. He works to earn money. वो पैसे कमाने के लिए काम करता है. Number 5, infinitive after question words. Infinitives can follow what, where, how, when, whom, etc. Examples, I don't know what to do. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है. Tell me how to cook it. मुझे बताओ इसे कैसे पकाना है. She can't decide where to go. वो तय नहीं कर पा रही कि कहाँ जाना है. Number 6, infinitive after nouns or pronouns. Infinitives can describe a purpose or quality of a noun. Examples, I have a lot of work to do. मेरे पास करने के लिए बहुत काम है. She has something to say. उसके पास कहने के लिए कुछ है. This is the best way to learn English. यह अंग्रेजी सीखने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है. Number 7, infinitive without to. बारे infinitive. Some verbs use the infinitive without to, especially after let, make, see, hear, feel, watch, etc. Examples, let me go. मुझे जाने दो. I heard her sing. मैंने उसे गाते हुए सुना. They made me cry. उन्होंने मुझे रुला दिया. Number 8, infinitive after to and enough. Infinitives can be used after to or enough to show result or limitation. Examples, it's too hot to go outside. बाहर जाने के लिए बहुत गर्मी है. He is strong enough to lift it. वो इसे उठाने के लिए पर्याप्त मजबूत है. Array. Infinitive equals to plus base verb used to express purpose, intention, emotion, or result. Please like and subscribe.